how to remove payment from Grab. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your payment from Grab. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to remove your payment from Grab, what you do is you launch the Grab app first. After you log into your account, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. From there, you can see the option under General that says Payment Methods, so go to Payment Methods. Here you'll find a list of payment methods you've added, like your GX5 or GXS savings account, your GrabPay Wallet, cards, PayPal, bank account, Alipay, or Kakao Pay, or so on. Depending upon whatever payment method you've added, select that, and you'll find the option to remove or edit that payment method. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.